my name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to use the lens flare effect in Photoshop. So here I've taken a picture of where I live, and there's a little bit of the sun in there, but maybe you want to see a little bit of a lens flare in this photo. So I'm going to show you how that works. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Filter, Render, Lens Flare. And here you're going to get the option of having an artificial lens flare in your photo. And you can move the source of your light simply by moving this little crosshair. So I'm going to move it up there because that's where our light is. And you can make it bright. You can make it really dark. So, and you can also change the camera type. But I'm going to use the first one and make it a little bit brighter. And there you have your artificial lens flare. My name is Alex Cecilio, and this is how you make an artificial lens flare in Photoshop. Thank you.